There's a website out there that I found recently that will allow us to make money online in passive income. This is available in over 200 countries around the globe, as you can see, and yes, it's absolutely free. Stay tuned and keep watching to find out what site I'm talking about. Now, just before we start, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so let's get started with this strategy, guys. Now, don't panic because I'm on YouTube right now. YouTube is part of this strategy, but you will not be filming or creating videos. You will not be using YouTube in any way, shape, or form to get paid. You don't even need a channel for this at all. What you actually want to do on YouTube is search for some channels that are like my own, so in the Make Money Online niche, and are creating Make Money Online videos. Now, what you want to do from there is find some video that has free in the title and or thumbnail, so that it's a free strategy, and what you want to do is leave that video open. I'll use this video of mine here as an example to show you what you need to do, by the way. And so just leave this video open as we will need it for later, and head over to the next platform. And that platform is called Sniply.io. You may or may not have heard about this site. What it basically allows us to do is add a call to action to almost any website or article out there. And you can see right here what that looks like. Now, down here you can see some more info about this website and how it works. Sniply works on the same principles as a URL shortener. The difference is that Sniply doesn't just shorten links, it allows you to overlay your own content on the destination site. Basically, the way some people are making money with this site is as follows. Let's say you have some article on Healthline about weight loss, for example. What you can do is grab the link of that article, head over to Sniply here, then shorten that link, and you can also add your call to action below promoting some weight loss product, for example. And you can then share the Sniply link to some people who would want to lose some weight. And in this fashion, you can both help people lose weight thanks to the article, but you can also make money as well. That's basically how many people all around the world are making money with this site. Now, we will not be making money in that fashion. We will use Sniply in a different way that will allow us to make thousands of dollars. But I wanted to elaborate a bit on how this site works and how it can actually get you paid. With that said, what you now need to do is click on Sign In right up here. That will then take you over to the next page where you just need to create an account. Enter in your full name, email address, and your password, and just click on Create Account below. Once you do so and you log into your own account, it's now time to shorten the link of that YouTube video you picked. Once again, I'm using this one here as an example. To shorten the link and create a page where you can add your call to action, what you need to do is just enter the URL in here and then click on Create Snip. That will now take you over here, and what you need to do first is select your profile, like so. The next thing you want to do is select the Sniply type, as you can see, so it can be a text link, a button, and so on. You will want to select Button. Once that's done, you will now need to enter in the message. This message will be displayed next to the button below. The message should be something along the lines of, "Make free money with this website," and the link we obviously do not have. And so now it's time for me to show you the third platform where we will get the link and the site that will actually pay us. That site is called afplus.com. Now, if you don't know what this is a site similar to offervault.com. And by the way, you can use OfferVault with this strategy, it does work too. In any case, on here you can grab links to various offers to promote, just like on OfferVault, obviously. But we will want to focus on one particular type of offer, surveys. Now, the reason you want to do so is because by promoting these survey websites here, you will get paid whenever someone signs up to them for completely free. This is arguably the best part about this. People don't have to buy anything at all. They just need to sign up for free to a survey site that will earn them money, while you in return will get paid for referring them there. Now, what you want to do is just pick an offer that pays quite decently. I use this one as an example. And by the way, you can click on preview here if you want to check out the site in question. Anyhow, guys, what you need to do is simply grab the affiliate link to the offer you want to promote. In order to do that, just click on Join Network here. And once you have that link, you will now head back to Sniply here, and you will add the link. And whenever someone clicks that link, it will take them straight over to this website. If they sign up, they will be able to make money by completing surveys, and you will earn set amount of money. So literally, everybody wins. Now, once you paste your link in here, you want to click Continue. And from there, you will just customize your call to action a bit if you want to. I don't recommend doing it since it's not necessary, and this looks nice as it is right now. In any case, to get the Sniply link, all you gotta do is click on Finish Call to Action below. And as you can see, here is the link we will want to share with people. Whenever somebody clicks on it, they will see the YouTube video about making money online and the call to action below. Now, with that said, you now want to copy this link, and it's now time for me to show you how to get traffic so you can get paid. The traffic source in question is Facebook, or more specifically, Facebook groups. The main reason you want to use Facebook groups to get traffic is simply because Make Money Online groups have thousands upon thousands of members, and each and every person in that group is interested in making money online, which makes them perfect for getting traffic. Check this out. This group here has 90,000 members alone, and this one here has nearly 40,000. This one here has 30,000 members. These are all potential customers for us, and what you basically want to do, guys, is find big groups like these, and you want to join them. Now, once you do, you don't want to spam your affiliate link. That could potentially get you banned, and more importantly, you won't get any clicks on your link. What you instead want to do is simply start talking to the people, and yes, this will take some time, but it will pay off in the end. What you want to do is provide some value first, and only after a certain amount of time has passed will you share your Sniply link with them in a post. And what you will want to tell them depends on what the YouTube video is about. If the title of the video is Make Money for Free Using This App, then you will want to say, "Here's how you can make money with this app for free," and leave the link next to that. And by the way, as I said in the beginning, make sure the video contains free in the title, since that does grab people's attention. And what you can also do is tell these people that you have found a way to make good money online. Or you can perhaps say, "This video here helped me make money." The point is that you grab people's attention and they click on your link. Now, you will want to do this in every single group you join, and many people who have clicked on that link will also check out the call to action located below, and every single time someone signs up, you will earn money and passive income from there. Now, with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.